kayong mga mining, I know that you are funding the opposite side. Alam ko na ngayon kung sino gumagasto sa kanila. Hindi ko na lang I know that some of you are giving funding to the other side to destabilize me. Well, if the police and the military will allow it, it's the problem. Pero Pilipino man tayong lahat. Look at what mining does to our country. Bali, ibigay ko ito sa iyo. Huwag din yung just return it. I'm not saying it. Ilagay ko lang dito, then you can take your shots. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, mining brings about 70 billion a year sa taxes. This is in Berong Nickel Corporation, Anara, Palawan. Look at the greens. You think you can live with it? Because of the 70 billion? Or because nag-contribute sa campaign funds mo? Hindi sa akin. Bas kaya na mag-contribute ka, ganun rin. Upakan kita. No, is Gina a liar? No, I don't. Mahirap to. Tino ginawa mo? Green, tapos dito. So where are the trees that God gave us? Where's the environment that God gave us? Berong Nickel Corporation, Nara, Palawan, City Nickel Mines and Development Corporation. It's visual. How can you argue with Gina when she's confronting you with a visual thing? So kami dito, it appalls us. Kung maglabi-labi lang kayo ng mining dyan, o magastos kayo, gusto niyo akong palitan na presidente na paluhurin ninyo to do your bidding, o siya na gold. Tingnan ang tubig sa baba, pati yung sa waterfall sa itaas. So, marami ng waterfall, it's a clear water. Ang problema nito, we have to talk with the mining people. Not even Gina now is really the controlling. Lahat tayo sa gobyerno, pati sa akin. Kita mo yung mga water system sa mga potable water sa dried up na Benguet Nickel Mines. Kung maubos na ito, maghanap pa sila ng aba. They will dig in other. Oh my God. You think that you are in Wyoming or South Dakota? With the heartland of Benguet Corporation. Desert. Ramen Minerals. Desert. Ramen Minerals. Despoiled environment. Yung mga miners, mag-usap tayo dito. Gusto ninyo, tayo lang. O media, explain to me kung bakit ganito. And you explain well to me Bakit ganito? Explain to us, to the lawmakers, such degradation of. Kami yung nasa kami yung, kaya nandito, importante nandito si Senate President, pati nandito si Bebot. Because kami yung nasa gobyerno ngayon. Tapos i-charge mo sa akin ito sa aking panahon. Ay, anak ng... sino ba nanagot nito? Di ako, pati ito. Kayo yung nasa power. Kayo yung pretentious dyan that we will work for the benefit of the people. God damn these people, you're always forgotten. Look at the water. So where's the fish? So where's the marine life? Or where's the aquatic life there? Ano yung kakaingin ng tao yung mga mahirap lang dito? Dos kukuha lang nga ng halwan para makaulam. So, what can your 70 billion do for the government? Nothing. Maybe it would be worth the while of Gina to reimpose the ban. Total muna tayo, tapos mag-usap. Dito magprangka-prangkahan tayo. Emir Minerals and Emir Minerals Corporation. Explain to me, how is this? Sabihin mo sa akin, dito magharapan tayo. What have you done to my country? Kasi pag hindi ba ako sagot ng to, putang ina, isampal ko itong papel sa mukha mo.